Hey, crypto crew, welcome back to Bitcoin Nexus. I'm your guide through the thrilling roller coaster world of Bitcoin, and today we're tackling something big, Bitcoin price analysis. Is it gearing up for a massive breakout or bracing for a steep crash? Let us unpack this together and figure out what is really going on with BTC against the US dollar. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll feel like a price chart detective ready to spot opportunities and dodge pitfalls. So grab a coffee and let's dive in. Bitcoin isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Born in 2009 as the first decentralized digital currency, it's shaken up finance, challenged governments, and sparked a global movement. Its price, that's the heartbeat of this revolution. One day it's soaring to the moon, the next it's testing our nerves with a dip. Understanding these swings isn't just for traders, it's for anyone who wants to peek into the future of money. So today, we're zooming into a 1-hour Bitcoin chart to decode its secrets. Ready? Let's go! Picture this chart as Bitcoin's diary. It's telling us a story hour by hour. I love this time frame because it's like a sweet spot, detailed enough to catch the action, but not so zoomed in that we miss the bigger picture. Right now, Bitcoin's been on a bit of a downtrend pullback after some earlier excitement. But here's where it gets juicy. It's testing a critical zone that could dictate its next move. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk support zones. These are Bitcoin's safety nets, the levels where buyers tend to swoop in and say, no, we're not letting it fall further. On our chart, the short-term support sits between 79,210 and 78,219 USD. It's like the ground floor of a building, solid, but not unbreakable. If Bitcoin holds here, it's a sign the bulls are still in the game, but if it slips, we've got a bigger support at 76,000 USD, and major level traders are watching like hawks. And if things get really wild, there's a rock-solid historical support between 70,132 and 68,288 USD. That's where Bitcoin's bounced back before, like a champ refusing to stay down. Now, let's flip the script and look at resistance, the ceilings Bitcoin keeps banging its head against. Up here, we've got a local resistance zone from 82,000 to 86,000 United States dollars. Breaking through this could be like Bitcoin kicking down a door, signaling it's ready to run higher. Beyond that, there's a major resistance at 93,360 for USD, a level tied to monthly data that has been a tough nut to crack. And if Bitcoin's feeling extra ambitious, the long-term high at 96,232 USD is the ultimate prize. Imagine it as the penthouse suite, hard to reach. But oh, the view from there. Alright, so where are we right now? Bitcoin's in a downtrend, sliding down after hitting some higher ground. It's currently dancing around that short-term support at 79,210 USD. This is the moment of truth. Think of it like a tug of war. The bulls want to push it up, the bears want to drag it down. What happens here could set the tone for the next few days or even weeks. Let's play out to scenarios because Bitcoin loves keeping us on our toes. Scenario 1, the bullish reversal. If Bitcoin holds steady above 79,210 to 78,219 USD, we might see it bounce back toward that 82,000 to 86,000 USD resistance. It'd be like a rocket finding its fuel, a sign buyers are taking charge. But here's scenario 2, the bearish breakdown. If it cracks below this support, it could tumble to 76,000 USD, or worse, test the deep 70,132 to 68,288 zone. That's when the panic might set in, but for smart traders, it could also be a chance to buy low. So what's the big lesson here? Bitcoin's price isn't random, it's a story told through levels like these. Support and resistance are like the guardrails of this wild ride. Experts have learned over years that watching these zones isn't just about predicting prices, it's about understanding market psychology. When Bitcoin tests 79,210 USD, it's not just a number. It's a battle between fear and greed, and here's the cool part. You don't need a PhD to get this. With a chart and some curiosity, you can start seeing the patterns too. Think of it like this. Support levels are the floors holding Bitcoin up. Resistance is the ceilings it's trying to break through. Every bounce or crash teaches us something new about where the market's headed. And Bitcoin's not just about trading, it's a window into a decentralized future. Imagine a world where you control your money, no banks needed. That's why this matters. Whether you're here for profit or just to witness history, wrapping this up, Bitcoin's at a crossroads right now. That 79,210 USD support is the line in the sand. A bounce could spark a short-term recovery, maybe even a push toward 86,000 USD, but a breakdown? That's a warning to brace for more downside, possibly to 76,000 or lower. My advice, keep your eyes glued to this level. It is not just about the next trade, it's about training your brain to think like an analyst. And trust me, once you start, you won't want to stop. So what's your take? Is Bitcoin about to soar or stumble? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm dying to hear what you see in this chart. And hey, if this sparked even a tiny bit of curiosity about Bitcoin or price analysis, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. We've got tons more lessons like this coming your way. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep learning, and let's grow together in this crypto adventure. See you soon. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you in the next one.